Hi, I'm Pam from Two Bikes for Adventure. Gilbert and I have been packing light for bicycle touring for many years. My present setup is a 20-liter bag that clicks onto the front of my folding bike and also has a shoulder strap. I often have to carry it along with my bike, so I keep the weight to 7 kilos. Many women insist that they could not pack so little, and I admit that since Gilbert carries our tools and video equipment, I definitely have more space for my personal items. But in our case, the difference is less along gender lines than along decision-making styles. A maximizer like Gilbert is somewhat of a perfectionist who will research the ideal item, while a satisficer like myself is content to settle for good enough. I'm not looking for technical type clothing items, nor brand names. Because I'm pedaling outdoors most of every day on our trips, the first priority of my wardrobe is to protect me from the elements. I remember being miserably cold and wet several times on the bike, so a jacket with a hood is essential. I used to bring a parka, but it was heavy and awkward. I was thrilled when my maximizer mate chose for me a light jacket with handy pockets and pit zips for underarm ventilation, so it works in rain, wind, and cool weather. With a thin synthetic hoodie underneath, I'm good on pretty cold days. I need the hoodie to zip up in front so that I can open or close it all or part of the way. I also want to be able to tie the sleeves together and sling it over my neck. I've been using the same black hoodie for more than 10 years. It is light and snug, but alas, doesn't have pockets. If we know the weather will be near freezing, I will bring a down jacket that I got on sale for $10 that packs up tightly, as well as a fleece headband or buff to wear under my helmet. I often bring stretchy knit gloves to wear under my cycling gloves, and I also have some water-resistant glove covers. My hands will probably still be cold though. I wrap a woven scarf around my neck in the cold, sun, or wind. I love a good hat, but often settle for a baseball-style cap for packability. I have a pair of woolly leg warmers that I bought at a dollar store that I sometimes bring. They fit either arms or legs. I use a hornless saddle, so typical padded cycling shorts are not necessary. I like capri-length pants that work for many sports. Bonus, lots of pockets. No cycling shoes, I wear multi-purpose shoes. I've been using two favorite pairs for the last few trips. Woven purple Keen Uniques for hot climates, or burgundy Champion slip-ons because they're comfortable and I like the color. Including these essentials, I plan on having 3 outfits, one specifically to wear on the bike, one to relax in, and another for streetwear or non-bike travel days. My leisure outfit includes leggings that I can wear under my sport shorts for added warmth when necessary, and the top will be another layer or a different sleeve length that I can alternate with or add to my default cycling top. My streetwear will be a skirt or stretchy pants that I could cycle in for short distances, and another top layer that zips up. So my clothing packing list has sport pants for cycling, short sleeve top, sport hoodie, light jacket, scarf, shoes, possibly tights or leg warmers, extra gloves, leggings, another top, some underwear, socks, skirt or long pants, long sleeve top, long sleeve layering piece, cap, and sometimes a pair of compact flat shoes. Since I'm always wearing several of these items, there are not a lot to pack. However, there's laundry to do every night. These clothes are in regular rotation at home too, so I know that they dry quickly. As we've mentioned, we often start the day wearing several layers and unzip and shed clothing as the day warms up. It's too bad that it works out that our luggage gets heavier as we get more tired. But since we bring so few items, the weight never loads us down. We hope that my and Gilbert's packing lists inspire you to travel light on your bicycling adventures.